The next step in your turn is the operational outcome and discard step. The active player now resolves the outcome from the cards played this turn and transports in play. We will go through this procedure through an example. On your first turn during the adversary situation step, the other player played an adversary card, a dog patrol, and an environment card, lightning. In the execute mission step, you played a transport card, because it is your first turn in the infiltration phase. You also played an operation card to inspire your task unit. Now we look at the outcome in terms of which of the principles of special operations the card supports or opposes. Look at the top right corner of the card. If the icons are red, black or orange, place a token in that color on the corresponding space on the task unit board. In our example, this goes as follows. Dog Patrol adds a red token to speed and a red token to surprise. Lightning adds a red token to speed and a red token to purpose. The operation card adds 2 black tokens to surprise, 2 black tokens to purpose and 1 black token to simplicity. The transport card works a little different. Where all other cards only add tokens on the turn they are played, transports keep adding tokens every turn. Look at the abilities on the bottom of the Humvees. Here you see that every turn you gain 1 black token on speed. This is the only time you look at the card abilities when you are playing a training game. Now you clear the counteractions. Red and black tokens cancel each other out before anything else happens, and if you ever end up with both colors on a principle, they must be cleared immediately. Next, you may choose to move black tokens from simplicity to any other principle or leave them where they are. At this time, it is important to start looking at how we can generate superiority from the tokens we have in play. In this case, we can move the token from simplicity to either surprise or purpose. That would give us 2 alike tokens to convert into 1 point of superiority. But let's rewind because there is another option as well. You may discard a card from your hand at any time during the operational outcome step, but only once per turn. If you do that, you gain 2 supplies or add 1 black simplicity. If you choose the supplies, immediately use them to draw cards like we saw in the first video. In our case, we choose the extra black token on simplicity. This allows us to cancel the red token on speed and instead exchange a black token from each of the principles for 2 points of superiority. Increase the amount on your task unit board accordingly. When you are done exchanging all the black tokens you wish for this round, you can end up with both additional black tokens or red tokens on the board. The adversary player may now decide to exchange red tokens to decrease your superiority at the same exchange rate as we used for the black tokens. Any remaining tokens are left for the next round. This concludes the operational outcome and discard step. It may appear a little overwhelming at first, but remember to use the reference card supplied with the game, and you will soon get the hang of it as you repeat the process every turn.